Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale under the cost of $30 million in Jamaica. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house found in Garvey Mead in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 2,178 square feet and it's on the market for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go take a look. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. Only 3 out of the 4 bedrooms were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house actually has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. From here we're going to head to the back of the house. And that will be the end of house number 1. House number 2. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom townhouse found on Constant Spring Road in the Kingston 10 area. The size of this house is 760 square feet and it's been listed for 27 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a look. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. Followed by that we have the kitchen. And from here we move on to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. Next we have the bathroom. And lastly, we're going to move from here and head to the back of the property. That will then be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. This is a 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house found in Sydenham Gardens in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 5,000 square feet and it's on the market for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the veranda and the carport. From here we move on to the living area. Next is the dining area. And followed by that we have the kitchens. Here's the first kitchen. And this is the second kitchen. Up next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. Fourth. Fifth bedroom. And this is the 6th bedroom. Next we have the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. Second bathroom. Third bathroom. And this is the 4th bathroom. Next we have an office. and followed by that is the laundry area. Lastly, we have a little balcony, and that would be the end of house number 3. House number 4. Now this is a 4-bedroom 2-bathroom house found in Kellett's, Clarendon. The size of this house is 2,115 square feet and it's on the market for 28 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. Followed by that, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 4 bedrooms, only 2 were shown. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. From here, we're going to head on the outside. And that would be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This is a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom townhouse in Calabar Mews located off Riddles Road in the Kingston 20 area. The size of this house is 1,100 square feet and it's on the market for 27 million Jamaican dollars. Let's go on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. For the kitchen, there were no images provided. Next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom, second bedroom, and this is the third bedroom. We then move on to the bathroom. Out of 2 bathrooms, only 1 is being shown. And that would be the end for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.